FinPlan Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. FinPlan is a financial planning software designed to assist individuals and businesses in managing their financial goals, including retirement planning. It offers tools for budgeting, cash flow analysis, and financial reporting. And here are the key features of this platform that may help you decide if this retirement planner is the best choice for you. So to get started with the key features, it comes with the budgeting and the cash flow analysis, which help users to track incomes and expenses to maintain a balanced financial plan. It also comes with a financial reporting and an integration capability, which help with a various accounting system, facilitating seamless data importing and analysis. And here's the pros and cons about the platform. So talking about the pros, it comes with advantages and disadvantages of this particular platform over the key features. So talking about the advantages, it brings about the user-friendly interface, which is designed to be intuitive, making it accessible for users with varying level of financial expertise. It also comes with a comprehensive tools and a customizable report, which allow users to a tailored financial report to their specific retirement. So talking about the downside, which is the advantages of this platform, which is a limited retirement specific features. While it offers a general financial planning tools, it may lack specialized features found in dedicated retirement planning software. And the pricing, the starting price is about 200 per month, which might be on the higher side for individual using a basic retirement planning tools. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. FinPlan is a robust financial planning tools suitable for users seeking comprehensive budgeting and financial analysis features. However, for those specifically focused on retirement planning, especially individual, it might be beneficial to explore dedicated retirement planning software that offer more tailored features at a potential level cost. So if you have any questions or need information on other retirement planning, feel free to comment down below. Thanks.